Midjourney just came out with version 6, and now you can put text inside of the images, which is crazy, right? Now, one thing I want to touch on really fast is I thought they were going to be one of the first AI generators to do this, right? And they barely did this. You know, Ideogram did this, one of the first AI image generators that did this. And honestly, I felt like Midjourney was going to be the first one because they were way ahead of the pack when creating the images. But yeah, with that being said, let's get into the video and let's see what we can create and give it a breakdown and see what you can do inside this version 6, the new update. And one thing too, I'm over here inside of the Discord group for Midjourney. You can come in here and see what other people are creating. One thing is, if you get lost and if you get confused, I highly recommend you come into here to the general thread and see what other people are doing. This is one thing, like if you see their images, it's showing you publicly their images, and you just get inspiration from this right here. There's some in here that are actually people are creating text inside of the actual design, and some people are just mainly focused on just like, you know, the actual image itself, as you can see right here that I'm sharing with you. There's some cool stuff, ways you get inspiration from other people, and you can see what they're creating, and kind of gives you an idea like, wow, I see exactly what they're doing. Well, maybe something I can implement here. I can see what they're with the Titanic. This is cool. I like this a lot. That's pretty dope. See what they're doing there. But this right above right here is the prompt. And if you're unaware, Midjourney, you can actually message the bot if you don't want to go into there and put your own prompt into like the general chat right there. You can come over here to make it more easier, make less clutter, and you can come in here and mess with this. And I was messing with it a little bit too as well. So for example, let's go ahead and do one. So one thing too, if you don't have it enabled, go to settings. When you go into settings, if you see what I did right there, hit that little dash, right? And then settings popped up. I just press S, so dash S, and then settings will pop up. And then you just hit enter. And when you do that, you can mess right here. It's gonna pop in the drop down bar, and you can go to version 5.1, 5.2, Midjourney model V6 alpha right there, right? And when you hit that, it will change everything, and then you'll be into the newer version, because you have to do this. I did it before I started using it, and I was like trying to use it and trying to put text into the image, and it wouldn't pop up. So yeah, now it works. So if I come in here, go into hit the little dash, and then hit the prompt to imagine. If I hit imagine, hit the prompt, I come in here and type in, so let's do elephant with babies. And that's all right. Let's just mess with that, with babies, and then I'll put like words, put words, or no, put text, and that's just an example. Text, mother's love, I'm gonna put mother elephant, mother's love. Just messing around. Okay, mother elephant with babies, put mother's love, drinking water at a lake together. And I'm actually just, putting a comma between like each brief, like a little breakdown, that I'm putting in here, and put a comma, and then like the text, mother's love. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And then it's going to go ahead and generate the image for us. That's just one idea. We can do another one. Imagine so monkey eating I always do this, eating a banana. Monkeys are cool, right? Who doesn't love monkeys? Monkey eating a banana, jumping from tree. No, monkey eating a banana in a tree. Text, my favorite thing to do. And then also too, I could put like, one thing is like keywords in here, like t-shirt. If I want to do like a t-shirt design, I could do t-shirt design, I can do sticker, I can do vector. There's a few different keywords that can be done. Like with the sticker, that it's always doing the outline around the actual image, which is really cool. I just did a more general one right there to kind of show you an example. And then like this one, let's try this one. T-shirt design, monkey eating a banana in a tree, text, my favorite thing to do, right? Now it popped up this one. Let's see. Like it did the text a little smaller, mother's love. I can have it regenerate this too if I don't like that, right? And then also, let's regenerate that. Let's say it's cool though. I like it. It's regenerating that. Let's see what happens with the t-shirt design, monkey eating banana, tree, text, my favorite thing to do. And it's going to show you the percentage, like how fast it's doing it, and just give you an idea. Now, like this right here, like it's still like it's still getting it. It's still understanding it. Let me just do this. And this is one thing you can do, because it's not, remember, like I said, it's not going to be perfect, right? Maybe it's just like, it's thinking about just the image of, like it's doing a good job with the image itself, but the text and stuff like that still seems like it's struggling. Now, this right here, like look at that, that's clean. Let's try this one more time. Imagine, and then that I'm gonna put mother with baby. So I'm gonna just do like t-shirt design again. T-shirt design, And it seems like it kind of understands that better with the text. And I'm gonna hit enter. Now, look at this. It's getting it. My favorite thing to do. It's almost spelled right, but it's pretty cool. It's getting there, right? These are some really cool images, like how it's doing all that. Let's go ahead and regenerate that one more time. I feel like it's getting there. And there we go. See, as I'm putting like t-shirt, it seems like as I'm putting t-shirt design in there, it seems like it's kind of understanding it more, right? And like I said, one thing I recommend is just try like putting sticker, and I'll do that with one of these images. But same thing. Look at that. That's pretty legit. That's clean, right? So for example, let's do that one more time. Same exact thing, and then we'll just we'll put sticker on the front and have it create that with a little comma. Enter. And then same thing with this one. I'll put instead of t-shirt design, I'll put vector, because those keywords seem to be pretty good when it comes to creating the type of images that I want it to create. And so put vector and then go ahead and hit enter. And here's the other one. This is my favorite thing to do. Got it right here. My favorite thing to do, right? Pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty clean. I like this one a lot. But look at the detail in the actual, the actual graph of the monkey. Yeah, that's legit. And let's say if I like the second one, right? And then I can upscale it, and then I can have it like create like a few different variations of that second one. See, it upscaled it already, right? My favorite thing to do. And then like say if I want to do like you can do like a variation of number 2, right? And go down. It's doing it right now. But look, as I did so here's the elephant sticker, mother elephant with babies. So when I put sticker in there, kind of see what it's doing, right? Usually it does like the white outline, but it seems like there's a lot going on in the image, so it's kind of like this actually looks like a sticker itself right here. Kind of look like some envelope stamps. There you go, right? The vector. This is cool. My favorite thing to do. My favorite thing to do. And get it. Look at that. It's still like it's getting it, right? And you still probably have to do some editing, and maybe you like the idea, or you don't like the font, you don't like the, you can even just take this and like go over into like Canva or your favorite photo editing software. Photopea is a cool one to do. It's a free editing web-based software that you can use. But for the most part, my favorite thing to do. That's a cool one too. Look at that. I didn't even think about that. See, this is what I'm talking about too. Like as far as like getting inspiration, look at the monkey. Like I didn't think about like this angle. Like this is a cool angle right there, right? He's like looking. That's sick. This is some good stuff right here. I like it a lot. But yeah, like you see exactly what I'm doing here. Just making sure that you're putting the parentheses. That's the main thing. And then some of this stuff too, like if you just want to like make it more simple, instead of like mother elephant with babies, you can just do like a single elephant, you know what I mean? Because it seems like it's doing a little bit more. But as we started to put t-shirt design, it seems like it was, or vector too as well. It popped out some good stuff. And I think just as Midjourney starts to release this more and more and starts to do more and more testing, this is going to kind of catch on to exactly like how people, it's going to learn how people are, what the type of designs and stuff like that people want. But I think as of right now, like this is a big improvement for them. And I think it's going to be good for us as it starts to develop more and more. I think this is a big thing and a big change, and how everything's evolving and things are growing. I think it's really, really amazing. If you want to learn more about, AI and how to create text-based designs with AI, watch this video right here. I go into more detail about how you can use this AI generator and creating different images with text in it.